Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you what is geo-replication in Azure SQL. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we need to create a Azure SQL database. So for that, log into Azure portal and search for Azure SQL database and click on create. Now you will get this page. Fill all the details like database name, server name. Now click on create. So deployment is in progress. It will be finished in a couple of minutes. Now the deployment is finished. I'll set up georeplication now. So in Azure SQL Database, on the left side in data management, click on replicas, create replica. So now you will get this form. Here we need to create a new server. Okay. Now fill in all the details and click on create. Now this is secondary Azure SQL database. Okay. Now the deployment is completed. So now let's connect to primary and secondary database using SSMS. So I have successfully connected to the database. Now I will create a table in primary Azure database and add some values. So I have written these commands, created a table and inserted these values. So let's use select star and see what is there in the table. Okay, select star from employee. You can see there are 4 rows. Okay, now let's see if this table is replicated in secondary database. Okay, so expand secondary server databases. You can see the table is replicated in secondary database. Now I'll try to insert values from the secondary server and I'm getting this error because currently this is secondary server and this database is read only. So to insert values from secondary server, we have to first make it as primary. So go into Azure portal and click on failover. So we have successfully failed over. Now refresh it and we can see that our secondary server has become the primary. So replication state, you can see it is as online. So now let's try to insert the values. This time it will succeed because currently it's an online server. Okay. Now let's stop the replication from Azure portal. So this is how we can set up replication in Azure SQL database. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching for more technical videos.